Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce security gaps with Cisco, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by assessing your current security posture. Identify the critical assets that need protection. Review your existing security policies and procedures. Utilize Cisco security solutions to enhance your protection. Begin with Cisco Firepower for next-generation firewall capabilities. Install and configure Firepower to monitor traffic and enforce policies. Ensure you regularly update your Firepower rules and signatures. Next, implement Cisco Umbrella for additional web security. Configure Umbrella to enforce safe browsing policies across your network. Utilize Cisco AMP for endpoints to extend protection to devices. Deploy AMP to detect and respond to threats effectively. Consider Cisco Identity Services Engine for secure access control. Implement ISE to manage user authentication and device profiling. Integrate ISE with your existing infrastructure for seamless operation. Use Cisco SecureX to unify security management across your environment. Leverage SecureX for visibility and automation of security incidents. Regularly conduct vulnerability assessments using Cisco tools. Analyze the results to identify areas that need improvement. Establish a process for patch management with Cisco. Ensure timely updates to all software and hardware. Train your staff on security best practices using Cisco resources. Reinforce the importance of cybersecurity awareness across the organization. Continuously monitor your security environment for emerging threats. Adjust your strategies as necessary based on new insights and data. Document all procedures and policies for accountability and reference. Regularly review and update your security measures to stay ahead of threats. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.